Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to give the appearance of leaves falling and then the shoes coming into place for a cute fall/autumn Flatlay. If you don't have our app, Lapse, downloaded yet, please give it a download. It is our stop motion app and it's what we are basing this tutorial off of. Here is a behind the scenes look at what we have as our setup. I have the white Bristol board as a backing. You can get this at any craft store. It's foam core. And then as you can see, we're not using any fancy tripods. We literally just have the phone placed on the edge of the desk so that it is still as we're shooting. And like many other videos, we're actually going to shoot this backwards and then reverse it after when we're done, because it's easier to animate backwards when you have your video all styled pretty like this, and then it's easy just to make it pull away versus animating it all into place and having everything leveled out and even on each side. As you can see, the foam core is not taking up the whole part of the camera there. I am going to zoom in and crop this after we are done, so I'm not too worried about that. But as you can see here, we've already started animating. We're just moving the shoes out one at a time. So each pair, I'm just moving one shoe of the pair at a time. And that's to give the illusion that it's walking. If you're moving them both at the same time, it's gonna look like they're just sliding in together, and I wanna give that illusion like they're walking. So we're just gonna do this with each pair of shoes here. I will speed it up and then show you the process for the leaves. All right, for the leaves, since we want it to have a natural falling look, we're not just gonna shoot it in a straight line, meaning we're not just making the leaves go up straight. I'm gonna make them go up and then kind of bend. So as you can see, for the ones on the left, I'm making them go right. And then so that one I'm going to the right a bit, this one I'm going to the left, and you can see they're kind of going in the direction of the point. And then I'm slowly gonna spin the leaves as we animate each shot here. So you can see that one, I kind of evened it out and now it's pointing straight up. And then we are continuing to animate. So we're just going to continue to do this until the leaves are completely out of frame. And let's open the editor and see how it looks. So as we know, we're going to rotate it first of all because the camera thought that we were shooting horizontally when we want it to be vertical. I'm using the tilt feature to pinch it and zoom so that that white border takes up the entirety of the backdrop. And here's how it looks. Pretty good. It's at a pretty slow speed right now, so that's why those leaves look kind of choppy as they're exiting the frame. So what we're going to do is speed it up a bit. And we're going to increase the brightness. And we are going to reverse it. So it looks like everything is falling in. Because remember, we shoot it backwards. So we want to have the screen empty at first and then have them come into place. All right, that looks pretty good. Now what we're going to do is create a freeze effect on that last frame so that when it's done, it just doesn't loop and start over again. It has a pause effect. And when you're freezing it for a couple seconds, basically what it's doing is duplicating all those photos until it reaches that 2-second threshold, 3-second threshold, whatever it is that you selected. There we go. So now we're going to boomerang. So it goes back and forth. Good. This will be perfect for Instagram because it flows nicely. It comes in and then out. All right, now let's add some music. And I'm going to crop it even a bit more because the bottom leg of the desk was still in that shot. See how this looks? Perfect. It's nice and bright. The animation is smooth and I'm happy with it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps get our videos in front of more people on YouTube. All about that algorithm. We'll be releasing the tutorials on how we created all of these videos using our app Lapse. So if you're not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button if you want to catch those tutorials. If you plan to recreate the video from this tutorial and post it to social media, specifically Instagram, I'd absolutely love to see how the video turned out. Please tag us at @lifelapse_app, or you can use hashtag #lifelapse, and you'll get a chance to be featured on our Instagram page. Thanks for watching.